The first step of financial modeling is to set the format that will be used throughout the financial model. Formatting is very important for both the builder and the user of the spreadsheet model. It is all about efficient communication of the large and complicated information. Spreadsheet model contains large information within the limited space, so the models have to be formatted in such a manner that misunderstanding, misinterpretation, misleading are minimized and eliminated as much as possible. For instance, compare these two calculations. Formatting makes it much easier and efficient for the users to interpret what is in the spreadsheet model. Instead of formatting the entire spreadsheet at the end, the builder of the spreadsheet model should format the models as he builds them, while he has the best ideas about what his calculations are doing. There will be countless occasions the builder repeats the formatting activities over and over again. Therefore, the first step of the modeling is to set the formatting function in the Quick Access toolbar. Excel's Quick Access toolbar allows the modeler to access instantaneously any function of his choosing. This saves significant time when formatting the model. Here is how you add cell style to the Quick Access bar. When using Excel, using Alt key shortcut dramatically increases the speed and efficiency. For instance, Alt F-T calls Excel setting. Click Quick Access toolbar. All commands. Type C to jump commands starting with the character C, then click Cell Style. Click Add then OK. From now on, all you have to do is to click Alt 1 to call Cell Style.